right over here we see we have a empty Newegg box, which means I got a pretty major shipment in from Newegg with pretty much all the parts I'm going to use to build my computer. Now, I haven't made any announcements about this yet, and I'm not sure how much I'll be able to cover on video, but I'll definitely give you guys a tour of my computer when it's all finished. Now, I can't start just yet because I'm still waiting on my power supply to come from Amazon. I'm getting a Cooler Master Extreme 500 watt. That should be good for now because I'm not running any serious video cards or anything. So basically the core of the system is the AMD FX 6100, which is a 6-core processor. You can see it right here on the side. And this box also includes the heatsink, which I'll be using for now. Now this will plug into the AM3 Plus socket Gigabyte 970A UD3 motherboard. Now, there's quite a few 3s on this box. It's a UD3, AM3 Plus, some sort of 333 acceleration of some kind, SATA 3, USB 3, 3 times something or another. Now, plugging into that for my main boot volume will be the Corsair Force GT 90 GB, which runs at the SATA 3 speeds of 6 gigabits per second. Now, to be connected to the internet, I'll be using a wireless card. This one seemed to be fairly good, so I went ahead and ordered it. And over here I just got Windows and the mouse that just happened to come with it, which I'm not going to use because I already have my Logitech ones, but I'll see what I can do with that. Now, not to be forgotten, a pretty important part of a computer is the RAM. I picked out this Kingston Hyperlink stuff that was on sale. It's DDR3 memory running at 1600 megahertz, and it's 8 gigabytes and 2 4 gigabyte sticks, so that should be good for now. Now, the remainder of the parts that I will be needing to finish building my computer are inside this Dell Inspiron 530, which is currently sleeping. That's why the light is flashing. These are things such as my Blu-ray drive that's under this cover right here, and a 2 terabyte hard drive because hard drives are just so expensive right now, and around the back my Radeon HD 5450 so I can still run dual monitors because my motherboard up here doesn't have any built-in graphics. I'll be using that just to, make it work. And that's about it. All this will be going into my Cooler Master HAF 912 case. HAF stands for high airflow, so that should be pretty nice. It comes with 2 fans. I'm going to be upgrading some probably as soon as possible. So stay tuned to my channel for some more computer building videos. Again, I'm not sure how much I'll be shooting, but I'll definitely give you guys a tour once I'm finished. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.